Good day, doodlers. Welcome to Draw Cartoons. If you want to learn how to draw the fast and easy way, this is the place to be. We're going to be doing some pixel art today as we learn how to draw Steve from the best-selling game of all time, Minecraft. Throw us a like on the video if you enjoy it, and as always, you're going to need a pencil, graph or squared paper this time, an eraser and a Sharpie to go over your sketch. You'll also need a ruler this time, or something with a straight edge. Let's go. Let's get started. But first, if you want to learn to draw the fast and easy way, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. Let's begin. So you've got your graph paper ready, or square paper, just like this. You've got this ready, and you've got your ruler, and you've got your pencil. So let's get to action. So I'm going to break this down into as many smaller shapes as I can, just so it's easier to count. So near enough the top of your page, we're going to start with the very corner of Steve's head, and you want to count 8 squares to the right like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and draw a straight line with your ruler right across like that. I don't need a ruler, I'm using a computer, so how far technology has come, eh? And then when you get there, you want to go 8 down. Okay, so yet again, just 8 squares down, and then 8 squares to the left, and then finally 8 squares up, which funnily enough takes you exactly where we just finished. So you end up with a pretty perfect square, maybe a bit more perfect than mine, because I'm cheating using a computer, but it doesn't quite end up perfect, but a ruler will definitely help you there. And then once you've done that, count 3 down from this corner: 1, 2, 3, okay, and then we're going to cut inside here just 1 square, then go up just 1 square, and then go all the way to the other side except for 1, just like that. So you're going 6 across, then you want to go 1 down and 1 across again. Now let's go for the mouth, because I think it's easier to start with the mouth and just kind of work upwards here. So count 2 squares in from this corner, so 1, 2, okay, so we're going to start about here, and from here you want to draw a straight line up 2 squares, then 4 across, and 2 down. And then we're going to add kind of a wide U shape at the top of this to form a mouth. Then above that you want to draw another small rectangle that's only 1 up and 2 across, like that, for the nose. And then that shape you just drew, we're going to do this again, but it's just kind of hanging off the upper corners of the nose, just like that. So 1 up, 2 away, 1 down, and 2 across. And then finally we'll cut those last 2 rectangles in half, and the reason why is the pupil's going to be on the inside like this, and this bit here, that's the white of the eye. So if you get to colouring it later, that's the way around that's going to be. Okay, so the head is already drawn, so we can work on the rest of the body now. So I think a good place to carry on is the arms. So the shoulders are quite wide on Steve. So starting at this corner, we want to go 4 across, and obviously we want to go 4 across on the other side too. And then turn each one of those into a 4x4 square, just like this. So going 4 down, and then 4 across, and 4 up. And make sure you do that on both sides. There we go. And now for the arms. So I'm going to start at this corner, and I'm going to go down. How many squares is this? I think this is about 8 squares. Yeah, that's 8. So 8 down, and then 4 across, and don't go any further, because otherwise you're going to go right into his legs, and I don't think he'd be too keen on that. So I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm going to go 8 down, and then 4 across. Now all we have to do is link this line with this one, and the same on the other side, and the arms are already done. Now we'll do the crew neck of his shirt. So we can start at the bottom of the mouth by going 1 down and 1 across. Then we can go 1 down and 2 across, and we can finish this off by going 1 up, 1 to the right, and then 1 up. If the shapes don't make sense just yet, don't worry, they definitely will if you colour this in. So starting 2 squares up from the end of the hand here, 1, 2, so about here, you want to go, I think that's 6 across. Yep, 6 across. And then at the end, 1 down, 1 across, 1 down, 1 across. You're learning pixel art today, how about that? So finally, Steve's legs. Now Steve's legs are pretty ordinary, but they have a fixed length. They have a very set length. So I think it's easier to start from where the t-shirt and the arm meet here. And you want to count down. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 squares down. Quite long legs. And then go across the same width as his head, so that's 8 squares. And then go back up another 12 to meet with the end of the other hand. Now all you have to do is draw a line across the very bottom of the legs, 2 squares up, and you've got his shoes. And there you go, your drawing of Steve is already done. That was super quick, super easy, as long as you have a ruler anyway and this kind of paper. So why don't you grab whatever you have to color with, watercolors, pencils, anything you want, and color them in. Maybe you want to give him a red shirt this time just to say, hey, I can color this whatever I want. But yeah, there you go, your drawing of Steve is already done. Color it in, and I can't wait to see the result. Hey, looking pretty good. There you go, the easy, fast way to draw Steve from Minecraft with all the right dimensions. How crafty of you. I'd love to see your creations, by the way, over on the Draw Cartoons Discord. You can share any drawings or tips or video ideas whenever you want, and absolutely everyone is welcome. Just scroll down, hit the Discord link, and that's it. Simple as that. Welcome to the Discord Doodlers. And thanks for watching. Make sure you drop me a like and subscribe if you want to keep learning to draw the fast and easy way. Until next time.